Get his son as beats.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing something fun today.
We're going to see who knows the Igbo culture better, me or her.
Hey, may the
May
best cousin win. So I'm going to be telling you all how this game is going to be set up. So how we're going to do it is we're going to be asking ourselves questions, and then anyone that gets whatever question that was asked will gain 1 point. And any person that does not get the question will have to do some punishments. So let's begin. So the first question is, how do you say good morning in Igbo?
Ọtụtụ ọma, Chineke, ọtụtụ ọma. Ọtụtụ ọma, it's ọtụtụ ọma. That's how you say it.
Okay, so 1 point for you then.
This question is, name 3 popular Igbo soups.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna start with my best soup, which is egusi soup. Then the second soup is nsala soup, and then the third one is oha soup. Yeah, so 1 point for me too. So the third question is, what does this Igbo proverb mean? Egbe bere, ugo ebere.
So I don't know what ebere means. So I'm gonna have to take the L on this one. So the next question.
Okay, so egbe bere, kite fetch, ugo bere, eagle perch, leave and let leave. So that's what eventually
The
next.
next one is, what is the name of the Igbo traditional dance that's often performed at festivals?
Oh, that's easy. It's called Atilogwu dance. So I got 2 points now. So the next question, what is Igbo landing and why is it important in history?
So the Igbo landing is when in 1803, the Igbos they said they're not going to be slaves in America, so they jumped off the boat and they drowned. This is unfortunate. I don't know how to swim either, so like I know I would drown too, but you know they were standing for what they believe in.
Okay, so that's 1 point for you. Okay, so oh wait, we forgot about the punishment.
It's okay, we can keep going. Punishment will be at the end.
Okay.
It's the name of the Igbo attire worn by men.
Oh, that's easy. It's called Isiago. Yes. So I got another point. Yeah. I'm leading. I'm leading. So this should be an easy one. So how do you say I love you in Igbo?
I don't know, Unaya.
Oh wow, she did good.
I don't speak Igbo, guys. So are you trying? Which Igbo festival celebrates yam?
That's easy. That's the New Yam Festival. Yeah, it's called the New Yam Festival in Igbo. Yeah, so another point for me. Yeah. So let's do this one. Let's do an easy one. So what does the Igbo name Chioma mean?
Choma.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Choma means good God.
Okay. Okay, that's good. That's another point for you.
This one, because I can't lose that easily. So you have to say the Igbo alphabet in 20 seconds.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, F, E, G, W, G, 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 E, G, K, B, B, Quili, Mini, Ni, Ni, O, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, F,
It's 20.
Okay. So it looks like we have a tie, and we're gonna give ourselves punishments. So maybe you go first.
You have to do 10 seconds of an Igbo dance.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, which Igbo dance? Okay.
Ding, 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 ding.
punishment. And so sing a chorus from an Igbo song, maybe from Osadabe or Flavor. Anyone?
If I tell you, say
That's not Flavor. That's not Flavor. That's not Flavor. And that's not Osadabe either. So you need to find a song from Flavor or Osadabe.
I wish I
Sawa, 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 le. Sawa, 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 le. So I think we all did the both of us have served the punishment, and I think that's it. I think we're done today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little game, and I hope you're gonna try this with your family. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so that when I post a video, you will be aware of it. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you. Thank you guys. Bye.